السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. حياكم الله جميعا أبناء الطلبة والطالبات. إن شاء الله اليوم بنستكمل دروس التأسيس في القدرات GAT. Our lesson today is about exponent. First of all, what's meant by exponent? Exponent is the method of expressing a large number in terms of power. For example, here when I want to write 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Okay, instead of write this large number, we can write as power. How? Here 5 is repeated. Okay, so we have to write 5 here. How many repeated here is 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's repeated 6 times, so we can write 5 to the power 6 as 5 to the power 6. 5 to the power 6 equal mean 5 multiply 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, all of this number not equal to 5 multiply 6. Don't write base multiply power. Okay, the exponent here, the power here, tell you how many times you use this base as a factor. Okay, so here 2 to the power 3 not equal to 2 times 3. It's mean 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Okay, here's some rule of exponent. The first rule, when you multiply power with same base, we keep base and add exponent. For example, here 2 to the power 3 multiply 2 to the power 4. It's going to be 2 and add exponent 3 and 4. It's going to be 7. 2 to the power 7. For example, 5 to the power 3 multiply 5 to the power 4. Here power with same base. We keep base 5 and add exponent 3 plus 4. It's going to be 5 to the power 7. Okay, it's the first rule. Second rule, when you divide power with same base, keep base and subtract exponent. For example, here 2 to the power 5 divide 2 to the power 3, you have to subtract exponent. 5 minus 3, it's going to be 2. For example, 5 to the power 4 divide 5 to the power 2. Okay, you have to subtract exponent. Here 4 and here 2, so it's going to be 4 minus 2 equal 5 to the power 2 equal 25. Here, power raised to power. Power raised to power. You have to multiply the two power. You have to multiply the two power. For example, here 2 to the power 3 raised to the power 4. You have to multiply 3 and 4. It's going to be 2 to the power 12. Okay. Also, you can distribute the power. Like here, A times B to the power n. Okay. Here, power over multiplication, you can distribute power, so it's going to be A to the power n multiply B to the power n. Okay, if also in division, like A over B to the power n equal A to the power n divide B to the power n. Okay, let's go and solve some problem here. 0 exponent A to the power 0 in a number raised to the power 0 equal 1. In a number raised to the power 0 equal 1. Negative exponent e to the power negative x, you can write as 1 over e to the power x. For example, here 2 to the power negative 3. You can write as put 1 in the numerator and put this power in the denominator with positive exponent. So it's going to be 1 over 2 to the power 3. And vice versa. For example, 1 over 2 to the power negative 5, you can write as 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. Fraction exponent, e to the power x over y, you can write in the form of radical, like the y or y power of e to the power x. For example, here e to the power or x to the power 3 over 5. You can write as the fifth root x to the power 3. The fifth root e to the power 3. Another example, y to the power 1 over 2. You can write as square root of y, because here the power is 1 and the index here is 2. Okay, the first problem here, he asked me to find 2x to the power 2. 2x to the power 2. You can distribute the power, so it's going to be 2 to the power 2 multiply x to the power 2 to be 4x squared. 4x squared. Here 2 times First of all, you have to distribute this power all of this bracket. Okay, so it's gonna be 2, put down 2, and then multiply here 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, multiply e to the power 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, you have to apply this rule here, e b to the power n equal e to the power n b to the power n, the same. Okay, so here 2 times 3 to the power 3 mean 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 3 times 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3 equals 27. So it's going to be here 2 times 27, e, here power raised to power multiplies exponent. 2 times 3, it's going to be 6. 2 times 27 equal 54, a to the power 6. So the answer here 54, a to the power x. How to find 8b to the power 11 over 4b to the power 6? First of all, you have to divide the number. 8 divide 4, okay? And then divide power, b to the power 11 divide b to the power 6. 8 divide 4 equals 2. How to divide power with same base? We keep base and subtract exponent. It's going to be 11 minus 6 equal 2b, 11 minus 6 equal 5. So the answer here 2b to the power 5. Find the value of 6 to the power 8 plus 6 to the power 8 plus 6 to the power 8 plus 6 to the power 8. You will not multiply 6 8 times and repeat it. No. You can take 6 to the power 8 as a common factor. Okay, all of this number is divisible by 6 to the power 8. Okay, LCM. 6, greatest common factor, 6 to the power 8. So here, when you divide 6 to the power 8, divide 6 to the power 8, it's going to be 1 plus 6 to the power 8, divide 6 to the power 8, 1. Okay, repeat it 4 times. Okay, to check your answer, you can use distributive. Okay, 6 to the power 8 multiply 1, same 6 to the power 8, and so on. The same denominator, 6 to the power 8 as a common factor. It's going to be 1 plus 1. Okay, you can factor out here 6 to the power 8, 6 to the power 8. So it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It's going to be 4 over 2. So the answer here equal 2. Okay, can solve this problem using GCF. Here, y multiply, y multiply, y multiply, y. Y mean y to the power 1. Okay, when you multiply power with same base, keep base and add exponent. 1, 1, 1, 1, it's going to be 4 over y plus y plus y plus y. Here, add, you have to add coefficient. Here, 1. Okay, 1y plus 1y, it's going to be 4y. Here, 1 over 4. So put down here 1 over 4 y to the power. Here divide power with same base, y to the power 4 divide y, it's going to be y to the power 3 equal 16. You can multiply 4 by 16. So it's going to be y to the power 3 equal 4 times 16 equal 64. Okay, then you can take cube root for both sides, or y to the power 3 equal 4 to the power 3, because 4 to the power 3 equals 64. Here power or exponent equal exponent, so base equal base. So y here equal 4. Okay, y equal 4. Or you can take cube root for both sides. Cube root of 64 equal 4. The next question here asks me to find x. If 2 to the power x plus 5 equal 1. How to solve this problem? I told you before that any number raised to the power 0 equal 1. Any number raised to the power 0 equal 1. So you can replace 1 with 2 to the power 0. Okay, here 2 power equal, so here base equal base. So here exponent equal exponent. So x plus 5 equals 0. Solve this equation by subtract 5. Both sides, so it's going to be x equal negative 5. X equal negative 5. Or you can try option 2 to the power negative 5 plus 5 equal 2 to the power 0 equal 1. Like, okay, here you can note Here, if 3 to the power x plus 1 equals 7 to the power x plus 1. Here you can note that power equal power, or exponent equal exponent. Exponent equal exponent. So here we can deduce that power base equal base, or the exponent equal 0. This rule, okay? Exponent equal 0. Here x plus 1 equal x plus 1. So here 3 equal 7, not equal 7. Okay, so you can apply second option here. Exponent equal 0. Exponent equal 0. So x plus 1 equal 0 and x equal -1. Okay, you can plug in here -1 for x. 1 over 5 plus -1. It's going to be 1 over 4. So answer here 1 over 4. So here is this rule, exponent equal exponent. So base equal base, or the exponent equal 0. Here, if x to the power 2 equals 16, x to the power 2 equal 16. How to solve this equation, quadratic equation? You can take square root for both sides. So here x equal positive or negative 4, positive or negative 4. So asking me here to compare between x and 4. Don't say that they are equal, because x equal 4, maybe x equal -4. So here it's D. Okay, not enough information. Not enough information. Here 2 to the power x equal 8. 2 to the power x equal 8. How to solve this equation? Here you can write 8 as 2 to the power 3. You can write 8 as power 2 to the power 3. Here base equal base, so exponent equal exponent, so x equal 3. Okay, you can plug in here 3 for x. Okay, so it's going to be 2 to the power 3 plus 3 equal 2 to the power 6 equal 64. Okay, pay attention with this number. 2 to the power 1 equal 2. 2 to the power 2 equal 4. 2 to the power 3 equal 8. 2 to the power 4 equal 16. 2 to the power 5 equal 32. 2 to the power 6 equal 64. 2 to the power 7 equal 128. Pay attention with power 2. Okay, here if 3 to the power 2x plus 1 equal 243. Power 3 also. 3 to the power 1 equal 3. 3 to the power 2 equal 9. 3 to the power 3 equal 27. 3 to the power 4 equal 81. 3 to the power 5 equal 243. So here we can replace 243 with 3 to the power 5. So 3 to the power 2x plus 1 equal 3 to the power 5. Here base equal base, so exponent equal exponent, so 2x plus 1 equals 5. You can solve this equation by subtract 1 from both sides. 2x equal 5 minus 1 over equal 4, divide both sides by 2. So here x equal 2. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.